Staying connected is more than a convenience, it's a necessity. Parabit provides durable, universal mobile charging solutions wherever you are. Discover Parabit's revolutionary charging stations, a sleek, durable, and reliable charging source for public spaces. From bustling airports to medical waiting rooms, lively event spaces, busy corporate and educational campuses, and more. Parabit's charging solutions are built to last and fit seamlessly onto or into any furniture or space. Vastly improved customer, employee, and visitor experience. Score high customer satisfaction and loyalty with convenient and easy-to-install charging. Parabit Charging Stations provide advertising and branding services, intentional revenue with a valuable infrastructure service. Designed to operate on existing power circuits and outlets, charging stations are available in various form factors to suit countless furniture and space configurations. Featuring Type B tamper-proof outlets, as well as any combination of Type A and C USB receptacles and Qi fast wireless chargers. International outlets are also available. Crafted from stainless steel, powder-coated metals, composite and natural materials with scratch-resistant surfaces, the future-proof designs ensure longevity, while also providing a stylish and inviting place for customers, passengers, or visitors to charge, work, dine, and more. Many options for ADA and PRM compliance solutions are available, creating accessibility for all. Choose from tables, counters, stanchions, seatbacks, wall mounts, and more. Indoor and outdoor options available. Fixed or portable options catering to all types of environments. Parabit proudly designs and produces all products and solutions in New York, ensuring Buy American Act compliance. Parabit Charging Stations. Power your life one device at a time. Visit Parabit.com for more information or contact us at sales@parabit.com to enhance your environment today.